Well, I think there was probably a bit more downside here if they, sort of came in with some lackluster results there. I mean, we knew going into the quarter that there were going to be some challenges on the iPhone side, and it was really going to be a matter of, can they pick it up with not only the services, but really the growing importance of the wearable side of the business. I mean, I think they're doing a really good job of figuring out ways to be reliant on more than just one thing, right? And I mean, that's really been the big question going into this quarter was, are we going to be able to see Apple continue that narrative telling us that they can become more than just a phone company? And I think this quarter gave us really the answer that we Apple bulls at least were looking for, and that yes, this is a story that can continue. How long? I guess we'll have to wait and see because I don't think we're ever going to go back to the days of these shorter iPhone replacement cycles. I mean, the phones are only getting better. Sure, 5G is a nice catalyst to look forward to, and at some point we'll be talking about 6G as well. But I think it's going to really become what is Apple beyond the iPhone. It's already a very big company, of course, today, but I still think there's plenty of room for these guys to grow in the coming years as they diversify away from the phone and introduce new and awesome technology to us.
Yeah, Apple Card included, which I'll come to in just a bit. But how do you look at the revenue mix, let's say 5 years down the line, and how do you see investors responding to this transition with where the stock price is, which is already nearly at $1 trillion in market cap?
Yeah, I mean, there's no question. I mean, when you become that big of a company, I mean, you can only grow so much, right? The growth is going to become more tempered. And there's no question we need to see, I think, a little bit of an acceleration there on the services side at some point here. They're still investing a lot of money in the services, in the wearables, and trying to get away from relying on that iPhone. And it's working, right? We're seeing those sales numbers get to where we want them to go, but it's costing them a little bit of money to do it, and it's costing them some time to do it. So as long as we can continue to see healthy numbers on the wearable side, on the services side, I think that the market is going to continue to give these guys some credit and let them run. But any kind of a hiccup there on the services or the wearable side for that matter, or even really a lack of innovation, that could be another risk that we're not really thinking of here. We know there was a discussion not all that long ago about a possible headset that they were maybe working on. I think they're still in there working on some type of a wearable that focuses on augmented reality. Who knows when that may come out? I think we have more wearables to see from Apple, but there's no question they have to keep their foot on the gas as it pertains to innovation in order to convince us that this will be much more than just an iPhone company in the coming decades.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.